Hello all my YouTube friends out there. I just came back from my new favorite store. That's MAC Cosmetics. I had the best time. They just launched a new line called Haute Dog inspired eyeshadow. We can't all live like pampered pets, but we can sure groom ourselves. And it was so funny. The ads are beautiful dogs and the model's hair and the eyeshadow. So the line is eyeshadows and opulent berry lips, and I thought, oh my gosh, I would love to take a picture with my dog and inspired by this, because my dog, as you know, Mr. Gray is my personal trainer. We do all kinds of fitness, we go hiking, he gets filthy. I thought, I'm taking you to the groomer, I'm buying a new dress. This is a BB dress, by the way, Beverly Center. Samantha is awesome, she's my favorite. Do you have this new eyeshadow? Like, of course we do. We can show you how to put it on, or you can book a look. Now, I've heard about this at MAC. Sometimes I've gone to events or parties and some girls' makeups are just killer, and I'm like, wow, your makeup is like vibrant, it is awesome. And they're like, oh yeah, I went and got it done at MAC. And so I heard about this and I thought, this is the perfect time for me to try it. And they said it's $50 and it includes a mascara. I had been wanting to buy this mascara. Two of my friends love it. It's Haute Naughty 2 Lash Black Lash. It costs $22. To set a look, foundation, everything is $50 and includes it. So I was like, oh, no brainer, need the mascara, want to try the look. And I said, can I please bring my dog? Sarah over the phone was awesome. I liked her so much. I'm like, can you do my makeup? She's like, of course I'm a makeup artist. So I booked it with her and it was like a party. She let me bring my dog. They looked at Mr. Gray and saw he had this eyeliner. Well, not eyeliner, he's got black around his eyes. And so we did my eyeliner that way, round as opposed to cat eye, inspired by my pet, Mr. Gray. It's a very, had done tongue-in-cheek, a lot of fun. I think you should check it out. Oh yes, when I got the makeup done, I also did an add-on. These lashes, MAC number 3s, they're $17. I never use false eyelashes anymore, so when I get my makeup done, I'm like, yes, do it. I'll take the add-on. Instead of 50, add 17 more. And it's totally inspired me. I am going to practice now false eyelashes because it's really, you know, like Emerald, it bumps it up a notch when you go out. My eyelashes are long, but they're very straight, so it's nice to have a little, hello. I feel like a little something something on the side. So had a great time. That is my new favorite cosmetic store. Everybody there felt great. It was fun. I love the vibrant colors of that place. So I am now totally MAC inspired, and I can't wait to buy more stuff, get more stuff. I'm gonna be like, what specials do you have this week? I'm gonna be like their new friend. They were super friendly to my dog. You know, I had a great time. They liked me, they liked my dog. It was wonderful. I will see you all next week. Please subscribe to my channel. So here's my Mr. Gray and my Posh Pedigree MAC eye makeup inspired by my Mr. Gray. The eyeliner is round, not cat eye. And they were so friendly to him. We had such a good time. And just so you ladies know, MAC is made for the camera as well. So have you gone to events and they're snapping pictures? It's on Facebook, Instagram. You can wear your MAC makeup and know it's gonna look good. Okay, Mr. Gray is like, had enough of this camera stuff. So this is my MAC Posh Pet inspired dog makeup. Thank you. We'll see you next week.